We are going to do another audit today, and today we are auditing another website called CPRADcourse.com. Maybe we can name it as a American Healthcare Academy also. What this website actually do? The website sells CPR AED courses online. As you can see in the home page, there are first aid CPR courses, how to do it, how to perform various kind of activities. This website, if I tell you, is somewhere around 30 year old. Like this is a 30-year-old some business, one of the most popular kind of a website in terms of the CPR courses and all. I have done the audit for some reasons, and now I'm just explaining in detail what I have find out, what are the various things which is working for the website and what we can do to fix it, and what are in total complete detailed audit about the work plan and everything. So here we go. Let's go one by one. As you can see the website, this website looks quite clean and everything. There's no such issues found majorly in terms of the looks and UI UX and everything. Home page quite clean and everything. There's no issues in terms of the fixes or displays or UI UX. Let's go to the course page. Okay, let's take it one by one. I have already prepared an action plan, like what are various finding I have. First thing first, let's start with the what are the various problem and how we are going to fix it. First problem, or yeah, the first problem, the as you know, this is a kind of e-commerce only which is selling courses, AED related courses, CPI related courses, but still they are not having any kind of schema on the page. Like if I open, they are not having many schemas, or like at least you got almost 1,11,000 reviews, still you are not using the schema. Then that's very much, like what's the use of those reviews if you are not using the schemas? Okay, now second point, what's the use of this big website if you are not even able to optimize the URL? Like who puts one in the URL structure? You can easily mention online CPR courses, or as the breadcrumb suggests, CPR course demo. Now this is something which I have found across multiple website. What breadcrumbs actually means? Breadcrumbs is a more used for the UI UX feature. Like did this breadcrumb tell a user that what is the path, how we reach to this page also. Now we clicked on the CPR courses, right? The breadcrumb suggests CPR course demo. The title of the page suggests online CPR course, and the URL is one. So multiple different conflict here. This needs to be addressed first. Now interlinking between the blogs and schema, really blogs and the pages should be is missing. That should be fixed first of all. Page is inside. Now come to the next part about the core vital, which is a very important parameter right now. And if we are like right now, Google is focusing more on UX UI, and that's one of the very big ranking factor. If we are not actually ranking factor, but yeah, we need to at least have address this part, that we fix the UI issues, we fix the core vital, we fix the loading speed and everything, because it's more of a selling part. Like someone needs to start the code, someone need to buy it. You can't be failing the in terms of the UX UI. Yeah, some CTRs are not clickable here and there. That can be one of the issues. Now let's see the technical part in terms of the backlink and all. So this is a website. As you can see, the number of backlink count is really huge, like almost 250k, but the referring domain is 1.9k. So that's one more thing. If someone asks me why the number of backlink count is 250 and why the referring domain is just 2k, the reason is they are submitting this link on the same page again and again and again. That's the reason why the number of referring domains are not increasing, but the number of backlinks are increasing. So this is a very good activity when it come to the, let's say when it come to the, like we are having backlinks from very good domain. Let's say this one, first one, the BBB. If we are getting multiple links, that's very good, but sometimes what happened that maybe we are not getting these links from these many domains, so that can be one of the reason. So yes, you can see the highest number of backlinks is coming from this educational website, then this web.id, and so on. You can, I mean, you can just find out the list. But the backlink needs to be improved. As you can now, next part is the anchors. I'm not talking about that this website is having any kind of poor AC performance or anything. This website is working very good, no doubt about it. If I tell you, okay, let's go one by one. Now, right now, I have just picked top three keywords, and you can see the volume of the top three keywords. You can see the keyword difficulty of these top three keywords. It's very good. We are let if I see 14 point K, 18, 8.1, 5.4, 5.4. The keyword target is very good. The position, you can see one or ranking on the multiple top one, like almost 400 plus keywords are ranking on the first position. If you see the overall traffic and everything, that's very great. And when at the time in 2024, when maximum website lose the traffic from August to December, this website gained the traffic. So there is a very big opportunities there. We are doing audit just to explain it where are more scope of improvement are. You can see we have hit a highest number in November, but after that again helpful update and everything. After that it's again started dropping the traffic. So we are not talking about that there are any lake in terms of this. We are just finding more opportunities. So as you can see, there are multiple fixes which you can do. Anchors already looks very decent. The number of backlinks and everything is very good, but we can improve it. I mean, the CPR courses are generating maximum number of traffic, but in the anchor, we can get more related to those. Now comes to the second part, the basic part about the UX UI changes, which I have already explained. The long formatted content are needs to be have better look and better use internal linking, and sometimes the chat links and all, like too many pop-ups. It's not very good. At least for such kind of website, like instead of pop-up, we can have better chat bot also. If we let's say very much honest, if I have got this number of reviews, I would find a better way to put it. Like this is very good, certified over 1 million or 10 million students. This is very good, but if I have this much positive reviews, I would have found a better way to put it. Now, which is the max, like the biggest issue which I found in this website is, first of all, the author page is not indexed. Like, not sure why they don't want to get the benefit of the blog section, EEAT. I mean, they have mentioned the, like they have created good pillar content. They have created good like initially I thought that it's more related to the internal linking and all, because generally right now maximum website are doing this way, like they have put table of content in the left hand corner where internal linking can be done and they can go to the certain pages. But no, they are not doing that here. Like if I want to read about something, let's say this part, I need to find out this issue and go to there. I mean, at least for headers we can create a table of content. That's a very basic thing to do. The Oh, they removed the author tag only from this page. Last time I checked, the author page was there, and I mentioned to the person that also we need to have a specific complete author page to just use the EAT. But no, now they have just removed the author page only. But since it's a medical terms, like their author page should be there, the review page should be there, there should be mentioned like author by this, reviewed by this. At least have some doctors on board, have some medical writers on board who can do this task for you. So that's very basic which you can do. Case study testimonial are missing and all. I mean, too many URLs with not optimized, meta title not working fine for them. These, I mean, basic. Let's to be very much honest, the basics are not all. The basics are not even fixed here. Like yeah, the website is getting good traffic. The content I have read about it, the content is not very much optimized. Meta description, I mean, learn about these are simple AI generated meta title and description. I'm sure if we just use Search Console and find better keywords to write about it, we can get more CTR, we can get more clicks. I'll tell you why I'm saying this, that we can click more, get more clicks. This one, okay, how can, this is one example, how can you achieve a high chess competition, CPR, whatever it is. We are ranking on the second page for this key website. The volume is 5.4k. How much traffic they are generating? 162. The reason, if you are, even if you are ranking on the first page and not generating good traffic, is the CTR issue. Like, people are coming but they are not clicking on your website. If you see the second keyword, ranking on the first page, first position, out of 8.1k volume, they are just generating, they are just generating 1.1k, which is very, I mean, I don't understand the CTR issues there. Like, if there some website, some keyword is having almost 8k traffic but not able to generate the like convert the traffic, then that's the first thing you need to look after, why we are not converting, why, what's the issue with the CTR. So these, pick this task to fix the meta title and everything. And at least when we have the big website we have problem, but right now you can see maximum traffic are coming on certain pages only. As you can see, not all the pages are getting the traffic, but the certain pages are getting the more traffic. Certain blog pages, maximum traffic are coming on the home page. So pick a pattern. No, pick a pattern. You don't need to go all in at once. Pick a few, five keywords per week, 5 keywords per 2 week, 10 keywords per 2 weeks, and just do it one by one, will get you bigger result. But if you could just keep on relying that, yeah, now one update gave us this traffic, now we will get next update and we'll get more traffic, I'm really sorry, but that's not how it works, and that's not how your website will perform better. Considering this kind of website, glossary pages will be very working, like, work like a charm here. Google stories needs to be there. I mean, I understand when we are working on the certain 2 or 3 things, like the CPI is a core, so there can be issue about the blogs, like keyword connecting with each other and all. But now with the AI and everything, we can easily filter that out. We can create way better keyword content strategy and everything, and write great content about it. If you can see right now, like, last blog on the like how much the frequency of blog, if I see. Okay, so last week, one, two, three, four. Now that's, see, on 24 they've written one, two, three, four, five, six blog. Now before that 12, before that 11. There's no periodic here. I mean, at least have some uniform. No point guessing here that the content strategy is not uniform there. We need to find a better way. Okay, and at least UI structure wise and everything, the, I mean, see, this website is really dealing with the great work. I mean, they are having good issues, they are writing good content, decent content, but they are not even able to fix the basics. The basics needs to be fixed on the first part. Okay, so now again, one more thing, you can see this is not, the category pages are not no index, so that means, now that's a very basic problem. You have no index the author pages, but the category pages you are fine once, like how they are crawling it, makes no sense. You are yourself creating a keyword duplicacy content issues. Yeah, some basic issues, more technical issue needs to be fixed. Additional FAQs you can increase, maybe when, at least when we are getting more FAQ related searches, we can increase FAQ. Glossary pages needs to be done. Okay, I'll bring down the top 5 recommendation I have for this website. First thing first, better better content strategy. Better content strategy. Second, technical bugs need to be fixed on priority. And those are not the big technical issues, like having different mobile issues, or having core web vital big time failure or so. It's fixable issues. One can easily pick one by one pages and fix it. They are like creating schema, implementing on the website, no big task. Changing the author tag priority, no big task. Changing multiple H1, no big task. It's very fixable thing. Creating internal linking, no big task. So basic technical issues needs to be fixed on the priority. Google Stories, yeah, hire a developer, create Google Stories. You have that many testimonials. Create a testimonial informal stories. Generate more traffic on that. Create case study pages. You will generate more traffic. There is no point here. There. Create glossary pages. So first thing, technical fixes, content strategy fixes, then the basic UI UX fixes which we can do. Backlink, backlink will be more important here, cause the way this website is, this is keep on growing, the blogs can be keep on growing, then the this is a priority, this will be a priority that you get more and more and more and more backlinks on all the blogs for all the smaller keyword as well. They are already using the pillar content cluster post strategies, so I'm very happy about it, I'm very much happy about it. But make sure that we are giving equal priority to good content, and not even the idea is not just to rank on the first page, not on the first position. Idea is to convert more traffic. If a user is if a keyword is having search volume of 8,000, why we are getting only 160 clicks? You need to ask this question, why we are getting less clicks? I understand that there will be more paid ads, there will be more shopping. I mean, no, not sure what happened there, but at least have a dig down there. And also, yeah, why not trying the merchant free listing here as well? That can also work. I mean, since they are already using the paid traffic, I'm sure they must be using the merchant ads and all. But yeah, so that's all about for this website. Let me know if you want more detailed update, or you want to just see the Excel sheet also. I mean, detailed pointers which I have prepared for some interviews also. Let me know, and we can have a detailed another call or another video about it. Thank you so much.